kind of been known for being on the cutting edge of technology. They don't sit around and let everybody else buy up all the new stuff. Having the A6 and having the opportunity to utilize that technology towards a lot of the new products that are coming at us, we're looking at doing bigger parts even than we were before. And having the right piece of equipment is very important. And the one thing that Triumph does is they do a very good job of looking at what the market will bear. And they always seem to be right there on the front edge of new technology as it rolls out. The A6 that we have here is the first A6 in the United States. And if you go down and look at our mags, back when the very first Mag 3 was put in here, I believe it was the first Mag 3, in the state. I mean, so they're all about making sure that we're on the cutting edge of technology. And that's the cool part about being in my job, because you get to see the latest and greatest that's coming down the pike.
We came from a 25,000 RPM machine with 60 to 80 horsepower. We went to a 33,000 RPM machine with 161 horsepower. And what that allowed us to do was increase metal removal rate to over 500 cubic inches a minute. It also reduced our cycle times by more than 50%. On 4 different applications, and in general it reduced our setup time by almost 40%. We started with the wing skins and the wing spars, and that was the intention, that those wing skins and wing spars were going to take all of the available capacity. Due to the large cycle time reductions that we saw with the A6, we've been able to add some defense floor panels. We've been able to add some large wing ribs, and we've also taken on wing skins from another customer that we had no intention of running there, just because of the capacity gains that we've seen. From what we've been able to look at in the conversations that I've been involved in so far, it was a multi-million-dollar investment, as to be expected. However, going back to the cycle time reductions, we've now put ourselves in a position to bring in more work, not just catch up or keep up with the work that we had. Because we're able to cut parts so much faster, we've been able to increase capacity for not only the A6, but for a couple other machines, because the A6 it's an aluminum eating monster. Not the biggest, but one of the biggest things that we noticed right out of the gate is that we're able to do things so much faster than we anticipated, that we've put ourselves in a position to realize the return on that investment within a few years.
When I got here, everybody told me about this machine because it wasn't here yet. And they started putting it in, and everybody told me about what it would do, and it's like, yeah, that sounds really good. And then to watch it do what they said it could do, it's like, wow, that is something else. And I mean, until you see it do it, it's amazing. It's amazing.